Okay, you can do this. Just gotta write an amazing, totally captivating story for this ebook. Why is this so hard? I can never get the descriptions right. How can I transport the reader to this magical world I have in my head? It's like my brain is stuck in a fog and the words just won't come out. All right, let's think this through. What do I want the reader to see? Okay. Maybe I'll start with the setting. Imagine this. That looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale. The towering trees stretch up towards the heavens, their branches gently swaying in the soft breeze. And the colours, vibrant greens, splashes of wildflowers in every hue imaginable. It's like Mother Nature threw up all over this place in the most beautiful way possible. Ugh, no, that's not good enough. I need to make it pop, Make the reader feel like they're actually there, like they can reach out and touch the velvety petals of those flowers. Okay, let me try again. Imagine stepping into a world where every sense is utterly overwhelmed. The sweet, earthy scent of loam and wildflowers, the symphony of bird song and rustling leaves, the dappled sunlight filtering through the canopy above. It's sensory overload in the most delightful way possible, like being reborn into a realm of pure magic and wonder. There we go, that's more like it. Now I just got to keep that level of detail and description going throughout the whole story. No problem, right? Right, let's see what else I can conjure up for this magical forest scene. The trees. I need to make them come alive, not just generic green blobs reaching up to the sky. Imagine these towering ancient oaks, their gnarled trunks twisting and turning like living, breathing beings. The bark is rough and textured, almost like scales, and the leaves rustle and whisper secrets that only the forest knows. But wait, that's still not enough. I need to engage all the senses, make the reader feel like they're truly immersed in this world. Okay, the sounds. What kind of sounds would you hear in a place like this? Well, there's the gentle chirping of birds, of course, but not just any birds. These are vibrant, jewel-toned creatures, their songs trilling and cascading through the air in a mesmerizing symphony. And then the soft patter of tiny feet. Squirrels and chipmunks scurrying up and down the tree trunks, their bushy tails flicking back and forth. Oh, and the crunch of leaves and twigs underfoot, that earthy primal sound that makes you feel connected to the very earth itself. Yeah, that's it. Now we're getting somewhere. The sights, the sounds, all we need is the smell. What would this magical forest smell like? Let's see. There'd be the rich, loamy scent of damp soil, mingled with the sweet floral notes of wildflowers in bloom, and a hint of something spicy, maybe a touch of pine or cedar from the towering trees above. It's an intoxicating blend of aromas that wraps around you like a warm embrace, enveloping your senses and making you never want to leave. Yes, that's it. I can practically see, hear and smell it all now. This forest is coming to life right before my eyes. All I have to do is get it down on paper and... Wait a minute, what about the feel of it all, the tactile sensations? I can't leave that out. Okay, Cindy, think. What would it feel like to be in this enchanted wood? The ground would be soft and springy underfoot, carpeted in a thick layer of moss and fallen leaves. And the air, it would be cool and crisp with just a hint of dampness that makes your skin tingle. Ooh, and the trees. You'd reach out to touch the rough weathered bark and feel the subtle vibrations of life pulsing through them. It's like connecting with something ancient and primordial, something that grounds you to the very heart of nature itself. There we go, that's it. All the senses accounted for. This forest is practically leaping off the page now. All I have to do is weave it all together into one cohesive, captivating description. All right, time to work some literary magic. Let's do this.